Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about portable USB power devices. Now, basically, it's like a little miniature battery bank, about the size of a cell phone or a little bit bigger. And you can use it for a lot of things, charging up your cell phones, charging up other small devices and stuff like that. You can also, if you have the USB powered flashlights, you can charge those up with it. You can also use it for charging up cameras. In fact, this camera here runs on a USB power supply besides the little itty bitty battery that comes in it. So think about it. These are just other ways for emergency power when you need to have power when things aren't going right. Okay? All right, so also get more prepared this winter. There's a possibility of some things going on, and there's chatter about supply issues and other electrical issues and natural gas supplies, and several of the refineries have had accidents where they got to shut down for maintenance and stuff. So you can possibly see a rise in gasoline prices, and it's going to cause other things to cause an increase as well. So get yourself prepared for this winter.